So good morning to one and all. We have started the capacitor filter full wave rectifier. So in this one, actually, the full wave rectifier we are going to use, but with the full wave rectifier, we are not going to get the DC, exact DC we are not going to get, pulsating DC we are going to get. So to avoid some the what is that one, ripples are there in the pulsating DC. Ripples means it is not going to give the maximum value, minimum value. So it will start from 0 to maximum and maximum to 0, 0 to maximum, maximum to 0, like that it was moving, pulsating DC. So once the DC output, it should not come to the 0, it should not come to the 0. So we have to maintain some values of DC. On that situation, we are going to use some filters, we are going to use that one. So filters main operation is to avoid the ripples here. Now it should have to, whatever the pulsatings are there, it is going to remove that one. So that filters are different types of filters are there. It may be resistive filter, capacitive filter, inductive filter, like that we are going to use here now. But for the full wave rectifier, we are going to use the capacitor filter, we are going to use here now. So we all know that one, the full wave rectifier output is like this. Yes, it is like this, the full wave rectifier. First of half cycle, it will start from 0 to maximum, maximum to 0, 0 to 0, 0 to 0. It is like a pulsating DC. We got the output of the, this is the output of the full wave rectifier, output of the full wave rectifier. So what we have to do now here, to avoid this one by reaching to the 0 value, here it is coming to the 0, it is coming to the 0. So we have to remove this one, this part we have to remove. For that reason, what we have to do, we have to use a capacitor filter here now, capacitor filter. So here the rectifier output we have considered, that rectifier output, here the current will come, DC current will come here now. So once the current will reach to this point, at this point, some current will flow here, some current will flow here. Yes, 0 to 90 degree. So 0 to 90 degree, what will happen, it will comes here now. So some current is flowing through the load resistance. So during 0 to 90 degree, whatever the current is flowing from in the load resistance, we'll consider this one here now, we'll consider this one here now. But after 90 degree, what will happen, it will start to decrease here, the current will start to decrease here now, or some angle. So this decrease, what we have to do, we have to avoid that one. So 0 to 90 degree or nearer to the 90 degree, it will consider, you consider as 80 degree here now, we can consider as 80 degree, we can consider 0 to 80 degree or some angle. What will happen, the current is flowing through the load resistance, so current is increasing here across the output of the DC will be increases. When the output of the DC will start to decrease, on that situation, whatever the capacitor charge is there, it will reverse, it will give the supply to the load resistance here now, will give the supply to the, during the increasing value 0 to maximum, while going the output value, during that period the capacitor will get charges here now, it will takes the input and it will charge us. But when the output will start to decreases, on that situation, what will do, it will discharge. By discharging the capacitor, it will provide the sufficient output across the load here now. So it will not leave to reach the output load or output of the circuit to the 0 here now. So during the discharging, it will maintain some value. Immediately after 5 degree, the from the supply, from the negative of cycle, we are going to get the output. So it will not reach to 0, means up to here only it is maintaining by a capacitor. From this value it will increases, and here capacitor charges here now. Next the capacitor will discharge here, next the capacitor charges, discharges, like that it will start here now. So in the triangle manner we are going to get the output here now, triangle manner we are going to get the output. So the current, which one, the output we are not, we are maintaining, not reaching to the 0 value, like this the DC output is there here now. DC output ऐसे रहता है ना,
Yes,
actual
sir.
DC output is like this here now. Once it will go to the maximum value, actually it should have to maintain the straight value here. Straight it should have to maintain. Still some ripples are there. Again, some filters are there, filter circuits we have to use. But according to your syllabus, only capacitor filter is there. It looks like DC. DC जैसे दिखते क्या ये?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, it is not looking like a DC according to me. It is looking like a AC only for first two half cycle. First two half cycle जैसा दिख रहे. DC means direct रहेगा. This one at least little more DC it is looking. Comparing with this pure DC, this is the pure DC we are going to call that one. Pure DC output here now. Comparing with this, which one is similar here now? With capacitor filter or without any capacitor filter? 1, 2, 3.
With
With
capacitor.
With
capacitor
capacitor,
filter.
it is little bit, it is near to the pure DC value here now. So full wave here, rectifier output directly we have taken. So that one only for the simplification explanation we have taken here now. We have considered a single phase transformer is nothing but center tap transformer we have considered here now. This is the primary and secondary. Secondary is splitted into three parts, actually two parts here now. One, this one terminal, and one center tap center point we have provided, that will act as a neutral point here now. That will act as a neutral point. For the positive half cycle, this will act as a phase. For the negative half cycle, this will act as a negative phase here now. Negative phase here now. So for the positive half cycle, diode D1 will conduct and it will go through the load resistance and capacitor here now. Capacitor will charge us during the increasing of the output voltage, and when the output will start to decreases, on that situation it will discharge us through a load resistance and come back to the neutral here now. For the negative half cycle, diode D2 will conduct and it will flow here, this one like this, and it will charge us here, and it current will flow through the load resistance and go back to the neutral here now. Actually it is not connected, this is not a point here now, it is not connected here, remember that one. This line is not connected to the neutral. The diode, it will should have to come to the through a load resistance here, no. This one also it should have to go to the this part here, not connection is not there, here connection is there actually at this point. Then it should have to come here now, because once the diode due to conduct, it will not conduct because it is a reverse bias, it will blocks the current here now. All the current will flow through the load resistance and come back to the neutral here now. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the completes the rectification or rectifier circuit. It will completes. We have discussed a half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier, full wave bridge rectifier, and capacitor filter in the rectifier output. You can consider this one as a full wave consider किए. Suppose half wave consider किया तो कैसे हो जाएगा? It is not applicable actually. It will come some part of that one, it will like this. Whenever the for the negative half cycle 0 is there, it is maintaining some value, again it will go, again it is going to maintain like this we are going to get here, but it will not come to the 0 also. During the positive half cycle it will increase us and charge us. During the negative half cycle, capacitor will discharge, next it will increase, next it will decrease like that. When the negative half cycle को 0 आ रहा था ना current output, that 0 we have eliminated for the half wave rectifier. Actually half wave rectifier is not there, only full wave rectifier we have considered, because full cycle we have to get the output of the DC here now. So it will complete the rectifier circuits here now. If you have any doubts you can ask now. किसी को कुछ डाउट है क्या रेक्टिफायर के ऊपर? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Then we will move for the next topic, that is next part 3 of the 5th unit, the last part of the 5th unit, that is called special purpose diodes we are going to consider here now. So actually special purpose diodes are 3 special purpose diodes we are going to use in this one. Special purpose means we are not using for the rectification circuit. We are not using for the rectification, but some other operations we are going to use. What is those operation? The photodiode we are going to use in the alarm circuit and all the things we are going to use here now. And next, the second one, it will come LED. All of you may heard the name of LED. LED का नाम मालूम है ना?
Yes, sir.
What is the long form of LED?
Yes,
Can anyone tell me?
Light
light
emitting
emitting diode.
Light emitting diode. The
Light
diode name
emitting
है ना
diode.
उधर आगे? Diode name is there.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
that
sir.
is the special purpose we are going to use, light emitting diode. One more, it will come Zener diode. So application of LED क्या है? LED के कहाँ use करते हैं हम? Nowadays LED trend is there. In your houses you are using LED lamps, torch you are using, in a car, in a function, everywhere LED is only we are going to use. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is application of LED. And the next one more term is there, that is Zener diode, we are going to call that one. Zener diode actually we are going to use for the voltage regulation we are going to use. Previously in the old TVs and all that one, you may heard that one, stabilizer. Stabilizer मालूम है ना? फ्रिज के
Yes, sir.
साथ वो क्या करते हैं actually? What is the role of stabilizer?
Controls the voltage.
Controls the voltage. Actually whatever regulator, voltage regulator is nothing but तुम इनपुट कितना भी दे दो, कितना भी ज्यादा हो गए तो भी it should have to output will become same only. Suddenly due to lightning strikes and all that one, 10 times heavier voltage will receive that one. Suppose TV को stabilizer use नहीं किए, suddenly TV will become get the more voltage and it may blast or burns that one. But if you have the stabilizer, whatever the output, instead of 230 you can give 2000 दिया तो भी the output will become 230 only. Like that, the higher voltage it is going to eliminates and the output it will maintains constant here now. That is voltage regulation we are going to call. But now the technology is improved, उतना बड़ा stabilizer use नहीं करते. Already TVs है तो inbuilt रहते, already inbuilt adapter रहते ना उसको TV का. In that one only they are using that small stabilizer or regulator system for the fluctuation of voltage and all the things. So we'll discuss what do you mean by photodiode, how it is going to operate and all the things we are going to discuss in this class here now. Just a minute. Okay. The photodiodes, it is a semiconductor PN junction device. It is also a PN junction device only we are going to call device whose region of operation, the region or area of the operation is limited to the reversed bias region here now. It's how it is going to operate in the reverse bias. Normal potential diode कैसे operate हो जाता था? How it was operated? Normal PN junction diode it is operating under forward bias. Forward bias में conduction हो जाता था. But this photodiode its operation is limited to the reversed bias region only. In this bias, what it will do, it converts the non-electrical energy such as light to the electrical energy. Light is converted into electrical energy. We are going to call that one. Actually, the photodiode. Have you seen the photodiode? The symbol of this photodiode is like this. This is the diode.
Yes, sir.
ये diode है
Yes,
ना,
sir.
इसको ऐसा लाइट का सिंबल दिखाने का इसमें. The light is falling on this one. Lights are falling on this one. This is the photodiode symbol. We are going to call that one. In the circle also, some people they will write in this circle here. No, the light is falling on this diode here. This is the symbol of photodiode. Diode only, but the lights are coming towards the diode. That is called photodiode. We are going to call that one. Photodiode here. Now light is coming towards the diode here. Now, what will happen in the lights also? Some ions, protons, electrons are there. Yes or no? Some
Yes, sir.
frequencies
Yes, sir.
there of photons and all there are there. You know, the photons, the energy transmitted as discrete package has a level directly related to the frequency of traveling wave. The lights are waving, traveling towards the diode here, no, towards the diode. whatever the frequencies are there, the waves are there, they are also traveling here now. This light energy associated with incident light waves hai uske andar, is directly related to the frequency of the traveling wave. If the light is moving from one place to another place, the torch देखो अभी इधर से लगाए तो वो बहुत दूर जाते हैं. It has the some traveling wave with a frequency here. No. So during the without any light, that area we are going to consider as dark current area. We are going to consider here. No. Current will exist with no applied illumination. Without applying any light, some current exists in the diode. That is called dark current. We are going to consider here. No. The conductivity of semiconductor is increased. Current flow in the semiconductor is induced here. No. We are going to give the positive to the cathode, negative to the anode here now. But it is reversed bias here now. It is reversed bias we are going to consider. In this one, it is a reversed bias. But in this one, you will not understand. Just a minute. I will take one more diagram. Next diagram I will take. Then I will explain that one. See here. This is the diagram visible here. Here the light is there. Here the light is there. Here the diode is there. Here also light is there. Here the diode is there. So here we have connected one emitter. We have connected here now. Both side here now. So here the battery supply is given to the diode through a emitter here now. Positive is connected to the emitter and that positive is connected to the N junction of the diode here now. Yes. Cathode ko connection kiya idhar. And negative is connected to the P region, that is called anode here now. Negative is connected to the P region, that is called anode. Okay. So what will happen here now? So during this light off either, light is off here now. So here the diode is there. I will switch on the supply diya maine, but it will blocks the current and though there is no conduction at all here now. So the emitter will becomes 0 only. It will show the value 0. It will show the value. But in the same condition, what I will do, I will keep the voltage constant and all the things. There is no conduction at the diode here. Now for the reverse bias, there is no conduction here. No light, no current except negligible dark current. Negligibly dark current inside रहते, वो blocking रहते ना potential barrier की वजह से. Some dark current is there here now, except that one here now. But for the same condition, what I will do, I will not do anything here now. Instead of light off is there, I will switch on the light here now. I will switch on the light. This light will fall on the photodiode or diode here now. What will happen? This incident light, it will decreases the resistance of this diode. Light क्या हो जाता है उसके अंदर photons and electrons are there. Maximum the photons, it will makes the electrons holes pair and it will start to conduct the current here now. It will, whatever the block region is there, it will, the current will start to flow here now, and that reverse current it is going to show here in the emitter here now. It is showing some value here.
Yes, sir.
So whenever the light will on, it will show the value. It is nothing but it will give some reverse current here now. Reverse current it is coming here, and without light there is no conduction of this diode here now. A photodiode varies its current in response to the amount of light that strikes it here now. This photodiode, it will varies its current. If its current vary ho jate when the light will strikes on that part here now. It is placed in the circuit in reverse bias. Reverse bias mein connection kiye. This one positive is connected to the N region and negative is connected to the P region here now. As most diodes, no current flows when in reverse bias. Most diode means almost this one also, no current will flow in the reverse bias without any light here now. But when light strikes the exposed junction, whatever the exposed area is there outside, on that place, the light strikes, then through a tiny window, reverse current increases proportional to the light intensity here now. The reverse current, it will proposes in this photodiode when the light will strikes on this outer area of the window of the diode, then we are going to get the output here now. Some reverse current is showing here now. So the photodiodes all exhibits a reverse leakage current. This is reverse leakage current only we are going to call, which appears as an inverse variable resistance. Irradiance causes the device to exhibit a reduction in the variable resistance characteristics here now. So this reverse currents, whenever the light will fall on that one, then only it is going to detect the, it is going to give the output value here now. Some research laboratories and all the things, wherever the sensors and all the things light will detect here now, in the alarm systems and all the things, we are going to use in this type of circuits here. This type of circuits we are going to use here now. Only for the negative bias, reverse bias only, it will produce the leakage current, but without any light it is also not conducting. Remember one thing, without any light intensity it is also not conducting, but whenever the light intensity will strikes on the surface, outer surface of the diode, then only it will, the leakage current will flow here, the reverse leakage current will flow through the circuit and it will show the value here now. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So I think in your old devices, TV, radio, किधर तो ये ऐसा type devices देखा है क्या? You have seen this one, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is called photodiode. We are going to consider this one, this one, this one. These all are the photodiode devices. The symbol for this one is, just a minute. The symbol for the photodiode is, this is the diode symbol is there. Same diode only. The symbol lightning strikes is coming towards the diode. Lights are coming towards the diode. That is called photodiode. We are going to call this one. This is the device we can use in the, we may see in the device, sorry, our equipments, the TV, radio and all the things we may use in this one, this type of devices here. Now this is the reverse bias operation. So positive is connected to the cathode is nothing but N type, and negative is connected to the P region, that is called anode. It is connected here now. So this is the photodiodes. We are going to see that one here. Next topic we will go further, that is called, which it is nothing but photodiode fundamentals. Also we will discuss here now, leave that one. So which material we are going to use for the photodiode, that is also important. For the normal potential diode, which materials we were using? Silicon and germanium we were using, yes. Just a minute, some network issue is there here. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So for the normal diode, which material we are going to use for the potential diodes?
Silicon and germanium.
Silicon and germanium. But for the photodiode, we are silicon also we are using here now. The bandwidth of the silicon is 1.12. The spectral sensitivity is important here to sense the light and all the things. 250 to 1100 Newton meter we are going to use here now. So for the here, not only silicon, we are going to use indium arsenide in gas, germanium, all these things we are with silicon and germanium we are going to use in the diode. One more extra we can use as, that is indium arsenide we are going to use, that is here now. The bandwidth is approximately 0.35 here is now. So this is the very less bandwidth, sorry, band gap. Band gap is nothing but this is the gap between P and N here now. That one we are going to use here now. So it completes the photodiode part. You have any doubts in this one regarding the photodiode? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No. Next, we'll go for the next very important part, that is called LED. LED. All of you know that one, the light emitting diode. It is also diode only. How the light will emit here now? So you all of you know very well about the photodiode. Photodiode का symbol कैसे था? Diode, what?
Arrow.
Diode with some diodes with some incoming arrows here now. The arrows coming towards the diode. Yes, this
Yes,
is
sir.
the photodiode. But what is the LED symbol? Anyone, can you tell me? It is also diode only. Yes, it is also diode only. But what is the symbol? It will also have some arrows only. Same like this photodiode only. Same like
Opposite direction.
opposite direction. See here, just imagine here, the photodiode, it is taking the light intensity for the reverse current. Yes, photodiode, it is on the light intensity. Light intensity, whenever it will fall on the diode, it will produces the reverse current. But the light emitting diode means this diode itself, it will emits the light. It will emits the light means it is giving the light here now. From the diode only light is coming. From the diode only light is coming na. LED. LED से क्या आ जाएगा? It is coming the light outside from the LED here now. So this is
Yes,
the
sir.
symbol for the light emitting diode here now. The diode with the arrows going away from the diode here now. Going away from the diode, that is called LED. We are going to call that one here now. So just basic purpose I am telling you all peoples about this here now. So what it will do here, LEDs are a semiconductors, PN junction only we are using here now. There is no difference of that one here now. These are the LEDs. Also, it is a semiconductors and PN junctions that under forward bias condition. Photodiode कैसे था? Reverse bias
Reverse
condition.
bias.
Yes,
But these LEDs are under forward bias conditions. It can emit radiation by electroluminescence. Electroluminescence, it is radiations will produce, but electroluminescence we are going to call in the ultraviolet. In the ultraviolet form, it is going to produce the electrical, or it is going to emit the radiation by electroluminescence in the ultraviolet, visible or infrared region of the electromagnetic spectrum here now. In the electromagnetic spectrum, it is going to emit the radiations here now. That is called LEDs we are going to call. So the quanta of light energy released is approximately proportional to the band gap of the semiconductor here now. In between the P and N junction, some gap is there. Yes, some gap is there. Depending on that band gap, in that one, it is going to produce the light we are going to consider here now. In deep, we will discuss about this LEDs. This is the definition where it is going to operate under forward condition only. It can emit the radiation. By which method? By electroluminescence, luminescence in the ultraviolet, visible or infrared regions. It is going to operate here now of the electromagnetic spectrum here now. It is going to operate electromagnetic. Remember here now, electromagnetic spectrum. It is going to operate. So that is under only forward condition, but it is going to operate here now. For the reverse condition, like other diodes, it is also going to block the current here. Now it will not conduct for the reverse bias here. Now only for the forward bias it is going to conduct here now. So this image, it will give the full picture of the diode. How does it works here now? See here, this is the P region, this is the N region is there. Yes, this is the diode here now. This is the diode. So here, is it audible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here the diode is there. You just observe this. I will give 2 minutes time, and anyone you can explain that one. You just observe these all the things, read this all the things, and you can explain me. Anyone you can interact that one. At 1 minute I will give that one. You do that one. Anyone can you explain? Any one of you. It will improve your knowledge only. Any one of you, whatever you know, you will understand from this slide. You just speak out. Nothing to worry. All are your friends only. Hello, is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Sir. Any one of you. Only one person I am asking. Any one of you. Almost within 10 days, your syllabus is going to complete. So before that one, at least I should know that one, at least one person. If they are ready, they have the presentation skill like that. Can any one of you start? I will not call randomly. You only decide that one. Start that one. What will happen? But you can read also at least. All the things are written here only. This one, your diagram is there. Here the light is emitting here now. Here some points you have written here and written here. Tell fast. Any one of you. I will mute myself. I will not ask any questions. You just explain and tell me over. That's it.
Sir, when the electricity is supplied to the PN junction, the electrons in the N gets excited, and due to this excitation, they need to jump to the P region for the recombination, and that recombination produces the emission of light.
Okay, very good. So that one only, she has explained very short and very good, nice presentation actually. I can tell that one. See, how was the normal operation of the PN junction diode? If the positive supply is given to the P region, N supply is given to the N region is there. So for the positive supply giving to this one means we are injecting more holes here now. So P types photons we are going to injecting here now. In the N types, what will happen here? Already free electrons are there by doing the doping here. More electrons are there in the N junction, and in the P junction, more holes are there here now. So holes are excited by the positive supply. Neutrons are electrons are excited from the negative supply here now. So P is given to the positive supply is given to the P layer. Negative supply is given to the N layer. Negative supply is given to the N layer. You know. Because of this excitation, what will happen? This electron's direction, the force is applied to the opposite here because of the potential barrier is there in between. The holes are trying to come towards this one, but electrons try to go to the P junction here now. So electrons hole pairs, the electrons it is going to inject into the P layer. In between this process, the electrons holes pairs will occur. Yes or no? Hole and electron pair will be occurred. Then they will get the final direction of the current towards from the positive to the negative here. But during the process of injecting electrons into the P layer or P region, that called, it will promote the recombination. We are going to call that one here now. This is electrons injecting to the P layer with the holes. Then that promotion or that process we are going to call as recombination here now. During this period or process, what will happen? Some small amount of light will emit here now. During the recombination, some amount of light will be emits here now. That called light emissions we have taken here now outside here. It is light emissions we are going to call that. A typical LED needs a PN junction diode hai idhar. P and N junction diodes are there here now. There are a lot of electrons and holes at the junction due to excitation. Positive supply is given to the P, negative supply is given to the N here now. So it is forward biased because of this one. So lot of excitation is there at this PN junction. The electrons holes at the junction. Here the junction is there in between P and N. This is the PN junction, whatever the line is there here. Electrons from N need to be injected to P to promote the combination. To promote the combination, whatever these electrons are there from N layer, it will inject into the P layer with the holes here now. To recombination of electrons hole pair to make that one, these electrons are injected to the P layer here now. So during this process, the light emission will occur, or it is going to emit some light, that is called light emitting diode we are going to call here now. The junction is biased to produce even more electron hole. This is forward biased because we have to produce more electron hole and to inject electrons from N to P for recombination. For the recombination, during this recombination only the light will emit that one. That recombination produces the light here now. It is going to glow here. It is going to glow here now. Any doubts?
No, sir.
So this is the operation of LED. We are going to call that one. This is the operation of LED. So one more thing, this one, the same thing only. How we, this is the P layer, N layer we have used here now. Electroluminescence, the process of emitting photons from the parent material. Parent material means that is already is there, substrate is the is basis of LEDs. So we know that one. See here where it went. Here which light is coming here? Which light is coming? It is a white color or red color, green color?
White color.
White. So LEDs अभी function है, अभी जैसे भी श्रावण शुरू होने वाला है, Lakshmi Puja and all the things you will do in your houses. Some LEDs to decorate your puja room will bring that some LEDs and all the things. It will blink only white color.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So actually the normal this operation is it will emit the light that is called white color only. That is called white color only. But how to make the color? Color कैसे करने का? How will get the different color?
Doping करून.
Very good. That is a very good answer and valuable answer. I am telling that one. Because while doing the doping, we are adding some electrons, holes, and in the material, whatever the intrinsic semiconductor is there. Intrinsic means nothing but fewer crystal is there, fewer semiconductor material को some doping add कर रहे हैं हम. That doping का place में some combinations are there. That one some materials we are injecting in the we are adding into the intrinsic semiconductor, that is called, it is going to produce different colors here now. The colors result from the choice of substrate here now. Choice of substrate material, which material we are using, according to that the substrate color will be different here now. The resulting wavelength it is going to increase here now. So today's LEDs green hai, red hai, yellow hai na? Green, red, yellow color we are getting that one with white here now. So they all are based on the indium gallium aluminum phosphide here now. Indium gallium aluminum phosphide. Green is from indium, red is from the gallium, and yellow is from the aluminum phosphide. We are going to get that one here. So blue uses silicon carbide or gallium nitride. We are going to use for the blue color. For the blue color, we are going to get IR is nothing but infrared gas, gallium arsenide we are going to use here now. So for the different colors, these are only where colors are visible here now. Green, red, yellow, and blue and white here now. 4-5 colors we are going to get from the LEDs here now. Is it clear now how we are going to get the color? Coloring, whatever these are there here, P regions. So these are the whatever emittings or promotions we are going to do that one. It will produce the light energy here now from this one. जब दिखाई देखो थोड़ा direction दिखाए, some lights are going away from the this device here. Note some newer LEDs run at higher voltages and emit immense light energy. Application traffic signal में देखा है आप लोग, the traffic signals. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Traffic nowadays the application of LED is so much is there. All the places almost we are using. How many of you are using LED lamps in your houses? You tell me. LED lamp use कर रहा है क्या नहीं घर में?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What are the advantages of LED? You tell me. Why you are using LED lamps? उसका पहले ओल्ड का एक राउंड कलर का बल्ब आ जाता था ना, वो यूज करते थे. अभी वो चेंज करके ये क्यों यूज कर रहे हो? वो मेरे को बोलो, मेरे को. You
It
tell me.
needs low voltage.
Low voltage.
Voltage. Current, sir.
Mhm. No voltage and current, it is not a necessary thing.
It uses less electricity.
That is very important thing. It uses less electricity. The electrical energy used is very less. So based on that one, your electrical bill will be reduces. Electrical bill है ना, वो reduce हो जाते हैं obviously. But comparing with that lamp, उसका weightage देखा है क्या तुम लोग? watt रहते देखो. Just a minute. Know that one in our houses nowadays we are using the LED lamps we are using. Okay. Previously we were using that round color that is called incandescent lamp. We are going to call that one. Incandescent lamp बोलते थे हमको. उसका वेटेज देखा है क्या तुम लोग? वैटेज उसका पावर कितना यूज करता था? 30 वैट, 60 वैट, 100 वैट बल्ब बोलते थे ना पहला.
Yes, sir.
60 watt का 100 watt का. So wattage is nothing but that is consumption of power. We are going to call that one here. That is the consumption of 100 watt we are using, means 100 watt power we are going to consume here now. So ऐसा 10 bulbs use किए हमने. 10 into 100 कितना हो गए?
1000.
1000 watt we were using in your houses previously. ऐसा एक बड़ा घर है तो 10 लैंप यूज किए ना, उसका wattage bill was increasing here now. Kilowatt per hour, that is called energy. We are going to call that one एनर्जी कंज्यूमशन बिल आ जाता है ना, एनर्जी मीटर. तो पर मंथ को किलो पर आवर को कितना कंज्यूमशन किया है यूनिट वाइज, दे आर गोइंग टू कंसीडर यूनिट, पर यूनिट दे आर गोइंग टू ऐड द नंबर. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड इनकैंडेसेंट लैम्प बोलते हैं. वो इनकैंडेसेंट का 100 वैट 60 वैट बहुत हो गए बोल के बाद में क्या हो गया, CFL बल्ब आ गया. देखा CFL जैसा ट्यूबलाइट जैसा छोटा बल्ब आ जाता, देखो है ना. That
Yes,
is
sir.
called CFL. We are going to call that one. उसको रिप्लेसमेंट करने के लिए अभी LED आ गए. LED means light emitting diode. LED bulbs are, they are how much they are consumption? Only 9 watt, 15 watt है ना, 15 watt, 9 watt, 10 watt ऐसा है ना लैम्प्स.
Yes, sir.
कंपेयर विथ 100 watt. 100 watt से इसका कितना है रेट? 9 watt. सो बट उसका रेट कितना है? 100 watt का रेट कितना था? 10 रुपीज पर बल्ब को है ना.
Yes, sir.
10 रुपीज है, बट इसका एलईडी का रेट कितना है? नियरली 100 रुपीज, मोर देन 100 रुपीज. बट व्हाट विल हैपन, द रेट अभी 10 रुपीज का बल्ब हमने एक साल में सपोज 10 यूज किया तो कितना हो गया इसका? 100 हो गया ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बट उसका रेट 10 वैट 100 10 बल्ब से यूज किया, सोचो एक साल में. बट उसका एनर्जी कितना हो गया? 100 वैट इंटू पर डे वी आर यूजिंग 100 वैट, देन कंटिन्यूअसली पर ईयर कितना हो गया? उसका बिल ज्यादा हो जाएगा ना, ऑब्वियसली.
Yes, sir.
सो वन एलईडी बल्ब वी आर यूजिंग, पेइंग 100 रुपीज. 100 रुपीज पे करके वो एक एलईडी बल्ब लिए, बट उसका वेटेज इंक्रीज कम हो जाती, यूसेज कम हो जाएगा उसका. 100 वैट उधर 100 रुपीज स्पेंड कर रहे हैं, 100 रुपीज एक ही बार स्पेंड कर रहे हैं हमको एक एलईडी बल्ब लाने का. उसको डेली 100 वैट जाने से डेली 9 वैट जाते हैं इसको. 9 वैट मीन्स 90 वैट वी हैव सेव्ड एनर्जी. वी आर यूजिंग 9 वैट बल्ब मीन्स 90 वैट एनर्जी सेव हो गए ना. But the
Yes,
cost will
sir.
be obviously same, because 100 watt bulbs whatever monthly it is continuously we are running means it is the lifespan is very less, it will burn that one. But the LED lifespan is very high, it will not happen, nothing will happen for the 2 years 3 years for the per lamp here. Understood? That is the advantage of LEDs also we can use. So one more thing I will tell, that when in a traffic signal they are using LED, okay, no problem, because nowadays LEDs are running by a solar energy. So उधर से वायर लेने का कुछ जरूरत नहीं है. ट्रैफिक पोल को we can fix the solar panel and you can use the connect to the LED here now by using a sensors and all the thing. अभी टीवी ले लो, all of you are using a TVs now. टीवी है सबके घर में.
Yes, sir.
LEDs only we are using, so many LEDs are, these are the LEDs. इधर ये पूरा LED एक है ना, ऐसा छोटा 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 LEDs एक one to another they have joined in this one in a series order, they have joined here all that one. Based on that operation it is going to emit the light. color अभी color कैसे आ रहा है? color TV बोल दिया तो they have used material, doping material here now. Which one the input whatever they are giving, based on that one the image they are displaying here now, based on that it is giving the producing the color here now. LED TVs we are going to call that one here now. So these are the applications of traffic signal, outdoor video screen we can use, runway markers we can use, and LED TVs, LED lamps, these all are the we are going to call as light emitting diodes only. Light emitting diodes only we are going to call that one. A strong positive bias encourages conduction band. ये conduction band है ना, it will encourage us in the N material to leave the junction and recombine with the available holes here. Now it will to pass the junction and meet the recombine with the holes here now to releasing the light and heat it is going to produce here now. So this is the circuit diagram of LED here now. Is it looks like diode only? Diode hai. This is the
Yes.
diode and it is giving the light over there. Diode is producing the light. So it will emitting the light. That arrow marks diode से light बाहर जा रहा है, उसके लिए symbol is outside. Oh, sorry, outside we have shown that one. But diode को light से diode को insert internal ले रहे. Voice is clear? Or voice is clear? My voice?
Yes, sir.
नहीं, कॉल आया तो थोड़ा डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं, मोबाइल से कनेक्ट किया. ओके, so diodes, from the diode the light is emitting, that is called light emitting diode. If the light is from the light, the reverse current flowing in the diode, that is called photodiode. The diode, it is taking the light, that is called photodiode. Light, the diode which is emitting the light, that is called LED. We are going to call that one LED. We are going to call here now. So here the battery supply is there. The battery, the positive is connected to the P region, to the anode here. Now through one resistance we have used here now. Why we have used this resistance? Resistance क्यों use किए? Anyone can you tell me? To limit the current here now. I equal to V by R. All of you know the formula?
Yes, sir.
I equal to V by R. So R is inversely proportional to the resistance. So if we increase the voltage, but the current should be, we have to provide constant current to this one here now. For that reason, this resistance, it will limits the current here now, and that current we are applying to the resistor, sorry, diode here now. And once the forward biased, the whatever the recombination will takes place, the light will produces here now. This is called the output of that one is VF. We have considered that one here now. Forward bias voltage we are going to consider here now. So based on this operation, if the forward current is increasing, this IF is nothing but forward current we have used here now. If the IF is increasing, how the IF will increase? Like that, we have to use the light should have to increase here now. For that reason only we are using here now R limit here now. Jaisa light resistance will be decreases, like that IF will be increases. The
Yes, sir.
resistance will decreases, then IF will be increases. So based on operation of that one, if the forward current is 0, then the output of light will become 0. If the current is increasing, the output is also increasing. Current is increasing, the light will also increasing. So the light output of the LED is directly proportional to the IF, we can say. Directly proportional ना, जैसा ये increase हो रहा है, ऐसा light output will be increasing. जैसा forward current is increasing, like that the light output is also increasing here. Yes. Directly proportional we can say here no. Here it is 5 is there, then it is 5 here no. How the forward current is increasing, like that we are getting the light output here now. We are getting the light output we are getting here now. The light emitting diodes emits photons as visible light. Its purpose is for indication and other intelligible displays here now. Indication of light or some displays we are going to use here now. Various impurities are added during the doping process to vary the color output here now. So we are getting so many colors we have to get. Presently in the TV means एक color नहीं रहते. कलर एक रहते क्या? टीवी को, टीवी देखने वाला 2 3 4 कलर है तो कैसे देखते वो, है ना? So many color requirements are there. Based on their color requirements, so we are using various impurities we are adding during the doping process of the LEDs here now. So is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next one. Advantages of LEDs and all the things. Here, this is the LED lamp. ये लाइट ऑन किए वाला जैसा ऐसा लिखते, but without owning that one, it is looks like here now. Here the lens is there actually. This will lens, it will give the light here now. It will means it will light intensity it is going to increase here now. Here, see here, this one LED chip we are going to call this one. इधर दिख रहे हैं ना स्मॉल वन, इधर से लाइट आ रहा है हमको, ये छोटा सर्कल दिख रहा है,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सेमीकंडक्टर और एलईडी चिप बोलते हैं ना, इधर से हमको लाइट आ जाते हैं. इन इट इज नथिंग बट फ्रॉम द neutron electrons to hole recombination will occurs, and that time it will produces the light, small amount of light. That small intensity light is when it will passes through the lens. This lens it will increases the light intensity, the focus it is going to increase here now. Small light को ये focus से increase कर रहे हैं. This is the cathode and this is the anode poles we are using here now. The layer it is connected to the supply. दिख रहे? So the advantages of light emitting diodes. Advantages of light emitting diodes here now. So longevity, the light emitting element in a diode is small conductor chip rather than a filament, which greatly extends the diode's life in comparison to the incandescent bulb. Incandescent bulb में क्या रहते हैं? फिलामेंट रहते हैं. फिलामेंट मीन्स वो एक वायर जैसा कंडक्टर रहते, मालूम है क्या? ओल्ड 100 वाट बल्ब में
Yes, sir. Yes.
स्प्रिंग जैसा रहते ना अंदर, that is
Yes.
called filament. We are going to call which wire that is?
Tungsten.
Tungsten. Very good. Tungsten wire or filament we were used in the incandescent bulb. Because of that tungsten, if continuously we are using that one, means the heat will be increases over there. Heat will be increases. Based on that, heat increase हो गई तो क्या हो जाएगा? If the heat is increased, then that tungsten lamp will be heat and it will breaks over there. But here in the LED we are, rather than we are using a small conductor chip we are using here now. This is the small chip दिख रही है. This small chip it will extends the life, bulb life or LED life, it is going to extends. Comparing with incandescent lamp, 10,000 hours it is increasing here now. The life of the LED is 10,000 hours compared with the 1,000 hours for the incandescent lamp. 10 times ये increase हो किए, उसका 10 times, the incandescent lamp से 10 times it is increasing the life of the LED here now. Is it clear?
Yes.
So the efficiency will be increases. Diodes emits almost no heat. Heat ज़्यादा नहीं produce हो जाएगा और run at very low temperatures or amperes, low current को run हो जाएगा. Great light intensity है, since the each diode emits its own light. So but the disadvantages are more. The cost will be high. Not too bad. Robustness, solid state component, not as fragile as incandescent light bulb here now. उसके जैसा बड़ा नहीं है, तो छोटा है, रोबस्ट है और not too bad, उससे bad नहीं है. But one LED को we are going to consider, that is means one LED lamp it will 10 times of the incandescent. Only difference is this cost is the main disadvantage of the LED. Now also that is decreased, I think. Now the rate is also decreased. Just a minute. One more PPT है, वो भी open करता हूँ मैं. So applications of this one, mainly we are going to call 7-segment display. All of you heard?
Yes, sir.
7 segments display. So how you can say that one it is a 7-segment display? 7-segment display बोल के क्यों बोले हम?
Decimal digit.
Decimal digits are 7 segments are there in the decimal digits. 7 segments are there in the decimal digits. I will take that one only. Okay. Just a minute. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So main application of LED is 7-segment display is an example of LED used for display. We are going to use here now. We are going to use the display here now. See here, this is the, we can call that one as 0 भी लिख सकते इसको. I'll consider. So if G is not conducted here now, G का light on नहीं हुआ तो it will looks like a 0. If
Yes,
G
sir.
is not there, if G is not there, then it will looks like this one here now. 0 it is looks like almost. Yes.
Yes, sir.
For the 1, these all things only B and C it will conduct here now. Only B and C it will conduct. Then it will looks like 1.
Yes, sir.
2 is like this. Yes. 3 is like this. Yes. 4 is like this. Like 5. How it is operating 7 segments? Only by using a 7 segment we can get all numbers. We can display 0 to 9. We can display over there. 0 to 9 we can display. So this is looks like 8 only now. 8 जैसे ही दिख रहा है ना वो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
8 means 8 segments है बोल के नहीं बोलने का. Only 7 segments are there, but it will display up to 0 to 9 here now. 0 to 9. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 7 segments are there. All 7 segments it indicates one LED here now. A को एक LED यूज किए, B को एक LED, C is one LED, D is one LED, E is one LED, F and G one LED. F one LED, G and one LED here. See, all the LEDs are connected in a series. We can call that one. You can connected in a series. We can connect here now. But while giving the operation, while giving the supply, we can eliminate that one here now. So what is the diode operation when it is going to conduct? When it is going to conduct, कब कंडक्शन हो जाता है उसको?
On passing the current.
When the passing the current, it is forward bias or reverse bias?
Forward.
Forward bias. The diode will conduct only for the forward bias. Only for the forward bias it is going to conduct here. No. So forward bias means all the diodes, for all 7 diodes, it should have to connect positive to positive, negative to negative here now. Positive P to positive, N to negative here now. Then all diodes will conduct here now. All the lamps will blink and it will display the 8 number. It will going to display. Number 8 will display here now. But we want only 0 we want first. 0 we want means what we have to do? We have to take A. Where is A here? This is the A. B, C, D, E, F. All diodes we have to connected in one side, and the common anode or common collector we have to take that one. Common anode or common cathode we are going to call that one here now. This is the anode. This one is anode.
Yes, sir.
This is the anode. This is the anode. This is the anode. Here all anodes are connected to the one line.
Yes, sir.
All anode are connected to the one line. इसको हमने positive supply दे देने का. We can give the positive supply here now. We can give the positive supply to the anode, and all negative cathodes are there here now. All cathodes we can give the negative supply. So all the diodes are forward bias. We can call that one.
Yes, sir.
So here similarly for the forward bias we have considered. So anode are shorted here. All the anodes we have connected to the one place here now. Similarly like that all cathodes we can connect to the another point. All cathodes we can connect here now. See here cathode is there, cathode is there, cathode is there, cathode is there. So the outgoing current of the cathode is same only. We will connect to this one into negative here now. The cathode we have to join together and we have to connect to the negative line we have to connect here. Yes. negative line we have to connect. But for the which diode we have to on, for particular that diode we have to provide the supply here. No, so all cathodes are negatively connected, only common point it should have to connect. हमको डायोड कौन सा ऑन चाहिए, ए बी सी डी ऑन चाहिए. सो ए को बी को पॉजिटिव सप्लाई दे दो, ए बी सी डी ई एफ को पॉजिटिव सप्लाई दे देने का, देन ऑल विल रन, बिकॉज फॉर द नेगेटिव सप्लाई इज कॉमन, द कैथोड is common here, the anode is commonly we have used here now. So you will not understand this one. I will show another PPT, just a minute. It is there here. Yes. This table is visible.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This table indicates that the diode here, before that one you see here, this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G hai. Yes. If the A is 0, means it is not conducting here. No, it is blocking the reverse biased. If A is 0, it is not conducting. If A is 1, then it is conducting. If B is 0, it is not conducting. 1 is nothing but it is conducting. Like that, we are going to call that one here. So, considering here, for the 0, to get the 0 of the value, digital value here now, A is 1, B is 1, C is 1, D, E, F, G. G is 0 here now. So, only G term we have made 0.
Yes.
See here, both are visible now. Just a minute, इससे better मैंने दूसरा ले लेता हूँ. This one only you see. Okay. A should be 1, B should be 1, C should be 1, D should be 1, E should be 1, F should be 1. Only G we have should not conduct for the 0. So it will value is 0 we are getting here. Yes. G is not conducting at the center point. Next for the 1 चाहिए हमको. 1 कहाँ हो जाते हैं? B and C conduction हो जाने. B and C we have to conduct here now. It will give the value of 1 here now. Only B and C 1 1 लिखने का, बाकी all are 0 0 0 0. So it will get the 1 here now. 0 means off condition. 1 means
On.
on condition here now. For the 2 के लिए इधर like this we have to go here now. So A, B, G, E, D. A को पॉजिटिव करने का 1, B को 1 करो. नेक्स्ट C नहीं चाहिए हमको, बट D चाहिए, इधर G चाहिए. G 1 है क्या? देखो G is 1. उसके बाद E चाहिए, E is 1. उसके बाद D चाहिए, D is 1 here. So like that, all 7 segment display we are going to get 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 we are going to get here now. So in this operation we are going to consider as common anode and common cathode we have considered here now. Common anode and common cathode we are going to consider. Just a minute, I will show once again that diagram. So this is the common anode and common cathode here now. So one side here we can add all 9 diodes, we can add here now. Here 1 and see here. Anode is shorted here up to 1 1 1 like this. We can last diode we can submit here now. इसको positive supply दे देने का. If is here commonly we have connected, all the anode is commonly connected, positive supply. For cathode you can decide which one you have to turn on करना है तो इसको नेगेटिव सप्लाई दे देने का, नहीं है तो इसको नहीं देने का नेगेटिव सप्लाई, इसको ग्राउंड कर देने का. ग्राउंडिंग इज नथिंग बट व्हाट, इट इज not going to conduct at all here. Now for the anode supply we have given, but it is acts as a, आगे उसको closure path नहीं है तो conduction हो जाता है क्या? If it is does not closure conducting path, then current will not flow, like that, depending on that one here now. Similarly for the cathode also you can short here now, that is called common cathode we are going to call here now. All the cathodes are joined together, that is called common cathode. If all the anodes are joined together, that is called common anode we are going to consider. Two configurations are there here now. So common anode method and common cathode method here now. Any doubts? Any doubts? Applications of LEDs. So this is the last I have shown you. This is the LED lamps we have used. Innovation in smart lighting will spring from new photonic crystal light emitters that will be around 10 to 30 times more efficient than the light bulb. Is nothing but incandescent bulb only, they have told. Even nowadays we are using LED display also we are using. Yes, in a railway station all of you have seen this board, railway station, bus stand and all the things. ये बोर्ड देखा ना?
Yes.
रेलवे स्टेशन में कौन सा ट्रेन कब का है, कौन कितने टाइम को आने वाला है, अराइवल है क्या, डिपार्चर है, all the things in the railway stations we are using LED boards only. And even in the times, watches and all the things nowadays, the health bands and smart watches are there, all the things they are using the LED display here only. They are using small one. Yes, so it completes the LED here now. If you have any doubts regarding LED, you can ask now. Any doubts?
No.
Okay, we'll go for the, it completes the LED. Next we'll go for the last topic of the 5th unit, that is called Zener diode. We are going to call that one here now. Zener diode. Actually, the Clarence Zener, who has discovered this type of diode for the regulation and all the things. So the name came Zener, and the diode is there. It is also PN junction diode only we are using. So who has derived this one? Zener, Clarence Zener, he has derived, and the diode application ko ye regulation purpose he has derived that one. For that reason, his name was Zener, and the device is diode, that is called Zener diode we are going to use here. Zener diode we are going to call that one here. Its symbol is like a diode only. Again, I will show the symbol here now. Diode का symbol ऐसा है ना? Yes. This is the diode symbol.
Yes, sir.
But in the Zener diode, it is little bit different. Like this, it is there here. Understood here? ये only straight line था पहला old potential diode को, but one arrow mark here they are showing here and showing here now, extended path here now. So it is also possible to conduct in both the direction. It is going to conduct in both direction. It is forward bias and reverse bias. For the forward bias, it acts as a normal potential diode here now. Or whatever the conduction will occur and all the things, for the forward bias, it acts as a normal or potential diode. But for the reverse bias, it will act as a regulator or voltage controller device. We are going to call that one here now. We are going to call that one as voltage controller device. It controls the impedance by adjusting, varying the current. It is maintaining the constant voltage here now. V equal to IR, all of you know formula.
Yes, sir.
If R is constant, but the current, by varying the current, we can control the voltage. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So R is constant we kept, but V equal to I हो गया अभी. Current control करने से हमने I control कर सकते. That one only it is going to do here. The Zener diode will do. The main operation of Zener diode is that one only. So Zener diode is a type of diode that permits, Zener diode is a type of diode that permits current not only in the forward direction. It permits the current but not only in the forward direction like a normal diode, but also in the reverse direction. Also in the reverse direction में ये permits the current permits करते. If the voltage is larger than the breakdown voltage here now. ब्रेकडाउन वोल्टेज मालूम है, ब्रेकडाउन हो गया डायोड बोल दिया तो उसका इफ द वोल्टेज इज मोर देन दैट, ऑन दैट सिचुएशन द करंट विल सडनली इंक्रीजेस. करंट विल सडनली इंक्रीज हो जाएगा ना. यस, if the breakdown occurs, current will suddenly increases. On that situation, the if for the voltage, it may increase the voltage also here now. So but by increasing the current or whatever it may be, by controlling the current or impedance of the breakdown voltage, Zener knee voltage we are going to call that one. This is the knee voltage, whatever the breakdown voltage के बाद है ना, that is called knee voltage, that it is going to maintain Zener voltage here now. The device was named after Clarence Zener, who discovered this electrical property. It is heavily doped in comparison with normal diode. Normal diode को mediumly doped रहते, but this type of diodes or Zener diodes are heavily doped with doped to reduce the breakdown voltage. Breakdown voltage decrease करने के लिए हम उसको doping heavy किया है इसमें, to reduce the breakdown voltage. So it is heavily doped, we are going to call. So breakdown voltage for commonly available Zener diodes can vary widely from 1.2 volt to 200 volt. Listen here, this is up to 200 volt is there. So normally we are getting 200 volt in the AC supply, 230 or 200 volt. So if the breakdown voltage is reduced, we can maintain the constant voltage. We can call that one here now. So we'll discuss this point in the next diagram. With the diagram we'll discuss here now. Just a minute, clear all diagrams. Okay, the basic function of Zener diode is to maintain a specific voltage across its terminal here now. This is the Zener diode we have used here now. This is the load resistance either. Load resistance is nothing but what? It is a output here now. Load resistance is nothing but it is a output here now. It should have to maintain a specific voltage across its terminals within given limits of line or load change here now. If the given limits of there is there within the line or limit, here 230 volt is required, it should have to maintain 230 volt. Here 10 volts is required, some range is there, this during this area it should have to maintain 10 volts only. Limits line or load change. Typically it is used for providing a stable reference voltage for use in power supplies and other equipments here now. Here we have given the variable input, here 220 volt, here one IN4740 is nothing but Zener diode we have used here now, and this is the load resistance. So whatever the increasing input voltage we have used as variable use किए इधर.
Yes.
So if I will give 0, 1, 2, 3 like that, I am going to increase. It is going to maintain the voltage in the range only. If I will increase this one above 10, is nothing but 12 volt, I will increase that one. On that situation, what will happen? It will absorb some current here now, and it will give only 10 volt output. It is going to give by varying the impedance. It is going to vary here now. Impedance is nothing but what? It is the combination of resistance and reactance. By varying the impedance, it will give the constant output 10 volt only. It is going to maintain here in the above voltage here now. More than 10 we applied 10 or 12 or 15 applied either, then also it will maintain output as a 10 volts only. This particular Zener circuit will work to maintain 10 volt across the load here now. A 10 volt it is going to maintain here now. How and all the things by explaining the, this is the VI characteristics of diode. VI characteristics of diode है ये. Yes, ऐसे ही है ना VI characteristics.
Yes, sir.
Okay, For the forward bias, you just consider that one. For the forward bias, positive is given to the p type, negative is given to the n type. So for after some voltages, what will happen? The depletion layer will be breakdown, and the suddenly current will increases here now. Suddenly current will be increases. But for further increasing of the voltage, there is no change in the current here now. Further voltage increase किया तो current में no change रहते इधर. So lightly, so only small current will changes here now. For the reverse bias, it is not like that. The barrier potential will increase and it will breaks the voltage when the breakdown voltage will crosses over there. Breakdown voltage will crosses that breakdown voltage. What we are going to consider here now? Vz here now. Vz we are going to consider. If further voltage is increased more than the breakdown voltage, what will happen? The current will increases here now. With the voltage, the current will increases, but the breakdown, the Zener diode, what it will do during this area, it will maintains the constant voltage. The voltage it is going to maintain the constant. Further, if तुम कितना भी voltage increase करो, but the output of the Zener diode will be same only. Here, this is the reverse big breakdown reason. Hey, reverse breakdown reason. In this area only, it has some operating range. The Zener diode has some operating range. Within that one only, it is going to operate. The normal operating region for a Zener diode is this is the shaded line. है ना ये line दिख रहे? Yes. This line is
Yes.
visible. So whatever the
Yes,
shaded
sir.
is there, during this period only it will maintains the voltage. If further you increase, it will not increase. It is going to maintain this one only. A Zener diode is much like a normal diode. The exception being is that it is placed in the circuit in a reverse bias. In a reverse bias, it is placed and operates in a reverse breakdown only. After the reverse breakdown, in this breakdown only it is going to operate here. Now, this typical characteristic curve illustrates the operating range of the Zener diode here. Now, this is the operating range of the Zener diode. So the equivalent circuit of that one here now, it acts as a voltage. It's act as a supply only, na? For the ideal case. Ideal Zener exhibits a constant voltage. Constant voltage दे रहे तो constant DC source जैसे हो गए वो. Yes. It is providing the voltage constantly, constant voltage. Then it will act as a voltage source only. Yes or no? For the ideal condition, this Zener diode is approximately equal to the constant DC supply or constant source, voltage source, we can call that one here now. For the practical cases, what it is doing, it is controlling the impedance of the line impedance control करके voltage maintain कर रहे. So this is the Zener diode. The practical condition, voltage source with the impedance we are going to consider ZZ. Zener impedance we are going to call that one here. Zener exhibits a near constant voltage varied by current draw through a series resistance. If the resistance is more, then current will be decreases. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So based on this current control method, it is maintaining the output voltage here. So the practical equivalent circuit is DC source with the some resistance here. Now for the ideal source, ideal means there is no a practical or internal resistance here now. Only act as a DC voltage source. Here the practical voltage source, it will act here now. So same thing we have used here now. It has practically, it has voltage source plus one resistance is there here now. So by controlling this resistance, it is maintaining the 10 volt output for the variable input. Variable input, it is maintaining the 10 volt output here now. In this simple illustration of Zener regulation circuit, so this is the voltage regulation circuit for the Zener diode. Voltage regulation, Zener diode we are using as a voltage regulation. So input is around 15 volt we have given. So output is required as 10 volt here now. So this one the current will flow here. But from the Zener, what it will do, it will consume some current and it will voltage across this one is equal to this one. Voltage across the Zener is equal to the output voltage here now. So here 5 ampere is coming means it will set as a resistance as 2 is here. No, V equal to IR is nothing but 10 ho gaye. It will give here.
Yes,
No.
sir.
If the current is more here, then the resistance will be decreases here. No, sorry, increases here. No, and it will maintain the current. Product of current and resistance will become again impedance value is vary here. No, and the output will be constant. It is going to maintain here. No. So the Zener will adjust the its impedance. Its impedance it is going to adjust for the AC impedance. We can call that one. For the DC, we can call that one as a resistance only. It will adjust its impedance based on varying input voltage. Varying input voltage जैसा increase हो जाते decrease हो जाते, based on that one, this Zener diode it will vary its impedance to adjust the current here. Now, so Zener current will increase or decrease directly with voltage input changes. Zener current will increase or decrease or directly with the voltage input changes here. Now, voltage input changes के हिसाब से it may increase or it may decrease here. Now, so this Zener current IZ will vary to maintain the constant VZ. Constant VZ is nothing but voltage across Zener. It is to maintain that one. The current flowing through this one will be become vary here now. So this will act as a voltage regulation circuit. We are going to call this one here. That one only they have added here now. Load resistance variable use किया इधर. They have variable we are maintaining here now. See here. This is the application we are going to consider. The power supply we have given VDC we have given here. VDC we have given here now. Based on this IZ increases here now, but the output is same we are maintaining here both side. Both side the output we are maintaining here now. The input voltage is increasing. The current flowing through the Zener will be also increasing here. Arrow marks, upper arrow marks is nothing but increasing here now. V input is increasing, IZ current flowing through this one will be increasing. But by setting its impedance here now, the output it is maintaining constant here now. Same output we are going to get here. And similarly for the decreasing, the input is decreased comparing here and here. ये दोनों compare करो, इधर ज्यादा है इधर कम है ना.
Yes, sir.
And the current is also decreased here. This current is increased, this current is less value. What about the output here?
Same.
Output is constant here now. So this is the function or working of the Zener diode. We are going to call that one. This is the function or Zener diode working here now. So it completes the Zener diode or semiconductors. It is going to complete here now. It will complete the 5th unit. If you have any doubts, you can ask. किसी को कुछ doubt है तो पूछ सकते. In this one, what we have discussed in the 5th unit, that is first starting we have discussed what do you mean by semiconductor means what are the materials we are going to use, and how the fewer crystals are called as intrinsic semiconductors. To make the some addition of the protons and electrons, the p type we are going to more holes we are adding here now, impurities we are adding here now. The adding process that is called doping we are called that one. After doping, whatever the semiconductor or crystal is there, that is called extrinsic semiconductors we have called that one. So joining of p and n junctions, it will makes the p-n junction diode. Once the p-n junction diode is made, then how to give the forward bias means positive to the p supply and negative to the n supply, and reverse bias is nothing but negative to the p by region and positive to the n region by providing that one. VI characteristics of diodes. These all are the basic diodes we have discussed. After that one, we have discussed the rectifier circuit is nothing but half wave, full wave, bridge rectifier with capacitor filter we have discussed. And last, the special purpose diodes are nothing but one photodiode, LED and Zener diode we have discussed here. Now it completes the 5th unit. If you want, I will give this PPT, complete PPT, and as well as notes also is available here now. I'll show the notes also. If you want, you can, I will upload in the sheet. See, this is the semiconductor diode. In detail, I have written actually all the details are there here. You can use this one also. I will upload this one also. Some derivations are there, but derivation don't concentrate on the derivation part here. Derivation part को concentration मत करो, ठीक है? Only you have to remember the seer. The photodiode we have considered here now. Seer. This is a window and this is a metal case. Outside case is there. मैंने दिखाया ना एक डायग्राम, मालूम है क्या? राउंड कलर का. हेलो, एक राउंड कलर का डायग्राम दिखाया ना, मेटल. That is the round color metal case we are going to consider. This is a insulated substrate. It is nothing but anode and cathode is there. From this window, the light will fall on the semiconductor here now. From this window, the light is going to inside that one here now. So in the counter circuit we are going to use, alarm circuit we are going to use. So all the things I have written here now. LED displays we have used. See here, this is the common anode method here now. Common anode method. Supply गए, laptop shutdown होने के chances बहुत है. Okay. And all the anodes are shorted here. My laptop battery is getting low, very low है. कभी भी बंद हो सकते हैं. 1 मिनट बंद हो गए तो we'll end the session. Okay. Directly one more class is there at the 3:45 to 4:45. Don't miss that class. I'm going to start the 6th unit over there. 6th unit start करने वाला है, miss मत करो. Is it audible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See here, the LED is the common anode method. Here all the, common, this is common cathode. This is the cathode of the diode. Cathode in it.
Yes, sir.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, all cathodes are shorted here now and connected to the ground here now. But the anode is connected to the positive supply here now. So which one we have to on? We have to give the positive supply to that one, anode here now. So this resistance, just to limit the current, we are using some resistance here now. And in this condition, all the anodes are connected to the positive supply, shorted and connected to the positive supply. Based on the requirement, we can connect to the cathode supply here now. Which one? Otherwise, we have to connect to the ground here now. 7 segment display. It is common cathode and common anode method we have used here now. This is the Zener diode we can use here. Same symbol we have used, construction, working generally, and this is the characteristics of the Zener diode. Zener breakdown we have used, and this one is the voltage regulation here now. Zener diode as a voltage regulation we have used here now. Across the load resistance, we have to maintain the constant voltage. We have to mention all the things we have written in this form. Some equations are also there. The resistance of RS is given here now. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So what we will do, I will open the 6th unit PPT also. Just a minute. Where it is PPT? So the 5th unit is over. Now we'll go for the next unit, that is called, what is that? 6th unit is, what is the 6th unit? Very small unit is there, this one actually. That is bipolar junction transistor. Transistor suna hai naam? All of you heard the name of transistor?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by transistor then? What is the difference between transistor and diode? You just tell me. See, in the diode, what we will do, we are using P type of material and N type of material, yes?
Yes, sir.
Only two types of crystals we are using in the diode, which will provide only one PN junction. One PN junction we are going to use for the diode. This is one box I will draw here. This one here, we are using the P and N here now. This is called diode. How many terminals are there in the diode? Anode and
Cathode.
cathode. Only two terminals are there, anode and cathode. We are going to call that one. But in the transistor, we can use the construction we are using here like this here. Like this. 1, 2, 3. How many regions are there here? 2 regions are there here
3.
now. So this is called P, N, P. PNP transistor, we can call that one here now. So here P to N, one junction is there. This is one PN junction. And here also P to N, one junction is there. PN junction. So two PN junctions are there here. But in the diode, only one PN junction is there here now. So it is a two-terminal device, but the transistor is anode, cathode, and one more terminal will come at the middle of that one. That is called base. We are going to call that one here. That is called base terminal here now. If P and N, in between two P region of the crystals, N is sandwiched here now. दोनों P के बीच में N है ना? Yes. दो P and P region की between N is sandwiched here now. So that is called PNP transistor we are going to call. Suppose if I will use NPN, in this situation, P is sandwiched between two N layers here now. So that is called NPN transistor, we can call that. PNP also we can call, or NPN also we can call that one here now. NPN and PNP transistor, both we can call that one here now. So that is the major difference of that diode and transistor is, diode is a two-terminal device, transistor is a three-terminal device. Diode has only one PN junction, transistor has two PN junctions it has, and its operation is different here, and its operation is very easy, we can call that one here. This is the major difference I am telling that one here. Bipolar junction transistor here now. Bipolar means two junction transistor, two PN junction transistor ko bipolar transistors we have called here now. Those syllabus of this 6th unit is, this is very small unit actually. We can use as a very small unit here now. So bipolar junction transistor construction we are going to discuss. Biasing, configuration with input output characteristics for the here CB, CE, CC. Based on the terminals we are going to call that one. It is nothing but common base. This is called common base. This is common emitter. This is called common collector. We are going to call that one here now. So input output characteristics. एक बार common base common लेने का, एक बार emitter common लेने का, एक बार collector common करने का.
Collector.
So whatever the, sorry, I told that one, the three devices name is anode, cathode, base बोला मैंने, anode cathode नहीं है. Collector, emitter and base है. Emitter, base, collector बोलते हैं हमने. Three terminal device. This device's name is emitter. Sorry, terminal's name is emitter, base and collector here now. वो एक बार common base common लिए तो common base. Emitter common लिए तो common emitter. Collector common लिया तो common collector here now. So comparison of these all three we are going to consider, and all three configuration rating of transistor we are going to discuss in the first part, and in the last application of transistor we are going to use as a switch कैसे स्विच जैसा ऑपरेट हो जाते हैं बोल के डिस्कशन करने वाला है. So we will continue this part in the next class. We will continue here now at 3:45 to 4:45 we'll complete here, and Monday we are going to finish this one also. Remember, Monday we are going to finish this unit. Almost today I am going to finish the construction, biasing, configuration of input output characters per common base. At least इधर तक तो कंप्लीट करेंगे. नेक्स्ट कॉमन बेस एमिटर का उसका नेक्स्ट पार्ट में डिस्कशन करेंगे. ठीक है, डोंट मिस द नेक्स्ट क्लास, डोंट मिस दैट वन. 53 तक कम हो गए क्या? अभी स्टूडेंट्स बहुत कम हो गए थे. Okay, we'll end here only and we'll discuss in the next class. Can I close the meeting? If you have any doubts regarding any suggestions means you can ask.
Sir, assignment question.
इसको है क्या? एक मिनट, नेक्स्ट क्लास में बोल देता हूँ मैं असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चंस कितना लिखने के.
Okay, sir.
अभी तो ऑल 4 असाइनमेंट्स सबमिट किए क्या?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
चैप्टर टेस्ट लेना है ना, अभी 3rd यूनिट के ऊपर नहीं लिया ना?
No, sir.
3rd and 4th एक ही टेस्ट ले लेंगे. एक 3rd and 4th के ऊपर एक, और 5 and 6 के ऊपर एक मिल के लेंगे. 3rd and 4th के ऊपर एक टेस्ट लेंगे. अभी आज कौन से मंडे में प्रिपरेशन करके डाल देता हूँ, मंडे इवनिंग तक. ISC कब है तुम्हारा?
Two.
सेकंड से चालू हो गए क्या?
Yes.
अरे बाप रे, फिर सेकंड मींस आज 31st है, कल एक ही दिन, मंडे से चालू हो जाते फिर सेकंड ISC.
Yes, sir.
सिलेबस क्या रखेंगे ISC को बोलो?